How to change Instagram username and display name. First of all, log into your Instagram account. Click on the bottom right, which is your profile, and then you go to edit profile. You can create avatar. I have a video on how to create avatar, not now. And then you can see you can change your name and your username. The username is important so that people can find you. Alright, and you can change it. Change to whichever name that you want. For example, if the name is taken, then you won't be able to change it. You have to be the name that has not been taken. And once you change, you're not able to change to another name for 14 days. But you can change back to your original name within that 14 days. Back. I'm not changing this. Now for my name, it helps people discover your account by using a name that you're known by, whether by full name. So I want to add a WK at the back, similar as my YouTube name. And then I'll just click OK. Just take note that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. Tick, tick. Okay, so this is how easily you can change the Instagram username and display name. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.